Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to transfer Google Play balance to your bank account. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, on your Android smartphone, you need to have this application name as Rewards, that is the Google Rewards. Just go to the Play Store and download this Google Rewards application. So after opening, you can see I have a Google Play balance of Indian rupee 43.06 pice. So firstly, you need to have a balance minimum of 40 rupees, or if you convert in a dollar, then it may be something less than $1, then you can redeem it. So after having this much of balance on your Google Play balance, then just open the Play Store again and just search for one application named as Rewards Go, and on the first list I will see this application. So this application is not free of cost, so you can purchase it, and after purchasing just install it, and after that just tap on open. On opening, you can see this kind of user interface, and below you can see a redeem available or not, and you can see a amount transfer time, how much days it takes, and you can see here some more information like orders on those who have made on 16 December will be processed on the December 19. So you can check or track your redeem amount. So if you want to know how much you will gonna get after the deductions of some tax, so you can see here human like icon on the right bottom. Just tap on this and you can get here one just near the I button. You can see a calculator like icon, right? Just tap on it and say here I'm redeeming a 40 amount, right? If you're redeeming a 40 amount, how much you will gonna get after the conversion? So you can see I'll get only 26. So you can see some charges. I already mentioned you, they will charge some money like a tax. So you can see here Google charges for in-app purchase to they will cut this much of amount, and Reward Go fee. So Reward Go fee, that is the application which I'm using right now, will gonna deduct some little amount. So after deducting this much of amount, I'll be gonna get the upper amount which is shown in here. So this is the way how you can check how much amount you are going to get after applying some charges that they will charge from you to transfer this amount to your bank account. And here there are some options like a chat. You can chat also. If you have some problems, you can directly chat with this app developers or the team members of these applications if you have any problems after redemptions. So if the redeem is available, you can click on start redeem and you can choose the amount. Since I have a minimum of 42 or 43, which I have shown you a few minutes ago, so I'm selecting this rupees 40. So now you need to fill up your accounts and details, that is your bank account, and if you have any UPI, that is alternative payment options, then you can just put your alternative payment options also. So I have already put my account details on these respective applications, and you can save this information for the future reference also. As you can see below, there is an option to save account details and device. So once you are done, just click on submit. Now it will confirm your details. So how much you are going to get, you can see here by deduction they will cut some percentage. So if you want to read the terms and conditions, you can read in the application itself how much they deduct from your actual balance. So once your all details that is being put under this application is done, then you can just click on I accept the terms and conditions, and after that just click on confirm. Now it will take you to the Google Play applications. Just wait for a few seconds. Now click on the redeem. Now you can see here I have a Google Play balance of 43, and below you can see and rupees 40 redeem pack. So just click on one tap buy, wait for a few seconds. So the payment is successful. So now you can see copy order number from the email receipt. So let us go to the email. Now you can see your order number. Just copy this order number And once again open this application and just paste it and just click on place order. So you can see here, check your payment status. Your orders will be processed on December 22. So finally our all task is completed. So you can click on the order history to check the informations. So you can see the processing date will be by 22 December. So it takes almost 3 days to process. So this is the way how you can transfer your Google Play balance to your bank account very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks how to transfer Google Play balance to your bank account, then you can try these cool tricks. So if you find this video information useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.